You've heard of Lao Gan Ma, right? The most famous chili sauce from China, a global sensation. But guess what? As a Sichuan native, I almost never buy it. Why? Because we make our own Lao Gan Ma at home, even better than the one in the jar. Now that I live abroad, I really started missing that homemade flavor. So today, I'm sharing my family's authentic secret recipe for making the ultimate chili sauce. Trust me, once you master this, you will never look back. Let's get cooking. We need dried chili peppers, onion, cinnamon stick, and star anise, shiitake mushrooms, Sichuan peppercorn powder, sugar, chicken powder, soy sauce, minced garlic and ginger, salt, fermented black beans, also called douchi in Chinese, crushed peanuts, and sesame seeds. First, cut the dried chili peppers and remove most of the seeds. Boil them in hot water for 10 minutes. Then drain and chop finely. You can also use a blender, just don't make it too smooth. And that's our chili base. Then chop the shiitake mushrooms. I'm a meat lover, so I'm also adding some chopped beef. You can use any meat you like. It makes the sauce extra fragrant and rich. All the ingredients are ready. Let's start frying the chili sauce. Heat plenty of oil. Add the onion, cinnamon, and star anise. This step is key for a fragrant chili oil. Once they turn golden brown, remove and discard them. Fry the beef until browned, then take it out. Now add the chopped chilies and shiitake mushrooms. Turn the heat to low and stir continuously for about 15 minutes until fragrant. Add the fermented black beans and stir for 5 minutes. Then toss in garlic and ginger. Cook for another 3 minutes. Add back the beef and season with salt, sugar, Sichuan peppercorns, chicken powder, soy sauce, and a bit of 5-spice powder if you have it. Finally, sprinkle in crushed peanuts and sesame seeds. Look at that color, aromatic, vibrant, and irresistible. And here it is, your homemade Lao Gan Ma style chili sauce. Store it in a jar and put it in the fridge. It can last for up to 3 weeks. But let's be real, it's so good, might never last that long. Let's taste it. You must have a try. Crispy, spicy, savory, full of flavor in every bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more homemade Chinese recipes. See you next time. Bye.